welcome you all to the Sunday stock list video where we'll be analyzing the indices and a few stocks for the coming week, right? So one thing I would like to tell you all is that this analysis is for the coming whole week. So if a trade doesn't work out on Monday or Tuesday, it can work out on the other days. At the same time, don't trade in more than two things. It will help you focus better on your trades, right? So if we take example of the last week, Monday and Tuesday, we consolidated or corrected a little, and the overall trend was on the upside. So we ended up making fresh highs on both Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So always trade with the trend. Okay, so coming down to Nifty first. So Friday's high and low are going to be acting as a crucial zones for us basically. Okay, so say for example we open around 17900 and give fresh breakouts of 7950, which was the all-time high. We can even take out 18,000 as the nature of the market is like really bullish right now. Okay, at the same time, if you are looking forward to short the market, wait for Friday's low to get taken out, then only look forward to short the market, or else keep trading with the trend. Okay, so even if you in the coming time, if you get a breakout of 18,000, we can expect new highs from the market. Okay, same with Bank Nifty over here. We have taken resistance at 38,000 now, like two times. And I've told you, like, if a demand or supply zone gets tested multiple times, it starts getting weak, right? So say if we open a little gap up and in the morning hours we get a fresh breakout of 38,000, we can even expect a good expansion from Bank Nifty, right? And at the same time, if you're looking forward to short, let the Friday's low get taken down on the downside, which is 37, which are the levels of around 37,700. Okay, so wait for breakdowns of those levels if you are looking forward to short, or else according to me you should keep trading on the upside. So watch out for the breakouts of 38,000, which can give you a good target. All right, so coming down to the first stock, which is Reliance. Okay, so even Reliance is giving fresh highs, right? So now the level of 2500, which is a psychological level, has acted as a resistance 3-4 times for the stock, right? At the same time, in the coming time, if we open somewhere a little gap up and we see a breakout of 2500, which is basically a psychological level, we can expect new highs from Reliance, right? So watch out for this stock, as it's even forming like an ascending triangle type of pattern. So enter only if 2500 is taken on the upside, right? Coming down to Asian Paints, very bullish as of now. Breakout, consolidated, again a breakout. So if we come down to the 15-minute chart, the levels of we rejected from the levels of 3500. Okay, so the same levels, if we take out the same levels in the coming week, you can expect new highs from this stock, right? So these stocks are like really bullish, so trade them on the upside only. Okay, then again if we come down to Bharti Airtel, good breakouts in this specific stock. It was in a range. It again gave us a basically ended on the upside of the range on Friday. Again it took resistance from the zones of levels of 750, right? So again a round level. So in the coming week, if we see a breakout of 750, we can expect this stock to move higher. All right, then if we come down to HDFC Bank, if you look at it in a 1-day chart, the levels of 1600 has acted as a resistance multiple times. But now Friday's closing looks like really good. We closed above 1600, right? So it's a round level, which a good bar is indicating some bullish signal over here, right? So in the coming time, enter if Friday's high are taken out, which is 1608, enter for a good target if this zone gets taken out on the upside, right? And coming down to Eicher Motors, again the stock gave us a good move. It consolidated, and now on Friday the closing was pretty high. It even gave us a breakout of 2900 and sustained about that successfully. So you can expect this stock to be bullish. At least expect the targets of 3000, which is a round level, right? So again, a bullish stock. At the same time, now Lupin, if we come down to Lupin, if we open its 1 day chart, this is a good stock, and it has corrected around 30% from its highs basically. So these stocks, always signal a entry for us when, say for example, these are good to invest in for long term. So if I give you all one trade I took in Tata Motors, you know this stock gave us breakouts, and I was waiting, to buy this at support levels. So from the levels of around 280, it is now trading around 320 rupees, which, it give you a 10% move, right? So always, these good stocks get bought on the support levels. So look for an entry for investment purposes in Lupin, you know for basically long term or swing trades, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something through it. Have a good trading week. I'll see you guys. Thank you.